Hello and welcome back to Victory of the People YouTube channel. My name is Nico. I will be your host, and our mission is to fanatically empower families to shift their mindsets and overcome limited generational belief systems. So we are continuing on our journey on starting our new business from the vision all the way to making your first point of sale. And today we want to talk a little bit about business finances and how to manage those finances within your business. So it is important that you adequately manage these business finances so that your business will run smoothly. And so in order to do that, you will need what's called a balance sheet. And balance sheets are essentially a snapshot of your business finances. And so a balance sheet will help you keep track of cash flow and projections for the future. It will also help you keep track of your employees, salaries, and supplies that you'll need for your business. So the balance sheet will also help you to assess assets and your liabilities, and it will allow you to separate your business into segments. And so your segments could be online sales or in-person sales. If you sold at conventions, you could have it to convention sales, online sales, in-person sales, and things of that nature. But it is extremely important to know what money you have going in and what money you have coming out. And so your balance sheet will help you to keep track of that. So you need to choose a method for accounting. And so there are two methods, and one is called an accrual method and the other is called the cash method. And so the accrual method puts transactions into books immediately. And so that means you have not received payment yet. However, it is on the books. And the cash method is essentially when you get the money, that's when you put it on the books. And so I'll give you an example. So say you made a sale in May, right? With the accrual method, it would allow you to put that sale on May's books, right? But if you are using the cash method and you didn't receive payment until June, the cash method will require you to put that sale on June's books, because you're not going to put the sale with a cash method. The sale doesn't go on your books until you receive the actual cash. And the accrual method, whenever you make the sale and not necessarily receive the payment, is when you put the sale on your books. Hope that makes sense. When you're managing your business finances, you also have to hire and manage employees, right? And so employees' salaries is one of the biggest expenses of a business. And so be sure to adopt a basic payroll structure. And so be sure to manage properly, trying to understand the local, federal, and state laws, because you don't want to end up, owing taxes on a federal and local level. And this definitely varies by state. So these are just some key points for hiring and managing employees. So before you hire, establish a plan to pay, right? So are you going to pay on a monthly basis, a bi-weekly basis? You just need to know when you're going to pay your employees and stick to it, right? Definitely stick to a plan on paying your employees. So some steps to ensure that you have a payroll system. So you'll need, as I stated in earlier videos, to get an employer ID. And this will allow you to hire employees on a federal level. And you have to have an employer ID in order to hire these employees, right? And so within your state or local government, you want to find out if you need a local tax ID, because Some states also have what we call local tax IDs. And so depending on which state you're in, you need to find out if that's something that you'll need for your business. And decide if you want to actually hire an employee or if you want to use an independent contractor. And so ensure that all employees fill out and return a W-4 form. So in my experience, you need to have a process. So an onboarding process will require them to fill out that onboarding or the W-4 form before they can even start work, right? Because it's very imperative that you have that return and back. You definitely don't want to have any tax problems, like I said before, when it concerns hiring new employees. So that's it for today. We will be continuing on this journey. If you are enjoying our content, please like, share, and subscribe. Again, my name is Nico. This is Victory of the People YouTube channel, and you will have the victory over your life. See you again next time. Thank you.